Book.
Which one is book?
4,000.
This.
Flip it. Put it right there.
It is.
Yes, put it right here.
What? But it
No,
comes like
that's
this.
okay. Next one.
Box.
Okay.
Flip it.
So
Put
the
it out
first
there.
guy got
Put it right here.
the second
Why?
guy got
Why
X
should I
plus
put it right
5,000.
Next
here?
one.
That's
B.
right there.
Flip it. Put it right there.
It is
That's
B.
5,000 more than the first one. The third guy
Next
got
one.
1,000 euros less than the second one, which would mean he got 4,000
one.
instead of 5,000.
Net.
Flip it. Put it right there.
It's net.
Next one.
Move.
So altogether,
Next
it's 3x plus
Good job.
Cat.
Good job.
9,000.
Apple.
Good job.
That's 1, 2,
Dog.
3
Good job.
x's and 9,000.
Cow.
That's equal
Good
to
job.
It's cow.
Yes, flip it.
60,000.
Cow.
Okay, good. Next one.
Mama, I just cheated. I just did Leo, and then I just looked.
Okay, next one.
Then I just say cow.
So the
Fish.
first one,
Okay, flip it.
that's the second one.
Next one.
That's the third one.
Kite.
Kite. Good job.
This
So
one
there's
is kite.
Good
Three
job. Flip it.
X's
See,
and
it
9,000
is.
is
Next
equal
one.
to 60.
Hen.
Read it again.
So if I subtract
Hat.
9,000 from both sides,
No cheating.
add
Okay, go back to the next one.
No, I
Wait, do another one.
is equal
And
to
hat.
3x.
We'll come back to it.
Hat.
Okay.
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 So what's 51
Next
divided
one.
by 3?
Kite.
No, it's not.
Key.
Key. Good job. Next one. Flip it. Next one.
Is bell.
Huh? Read it again.
It's actually
Ba.
No, it's not
So-
ba.
one
Da.
guy got
Da.
17.
O. La. La. Da.
One guy got
Dog.
17 plus
Doll.
5
Good job.
is
Next one. Flip it.
22.
Read this
It's
one.
doll.
Read this one.
And one guy got 17 plus
No
4.
cheating.
It's only da. It's
Yeah,
a-
read it. Read this one.
It's only ba. La.
If I
La.
add
What is
all
it?
up, I got
Bell.
7, 8,
Bell.
9,
Good job.
10.
Flip it. Next one. Come here.
It's
Carry
bell.
one.
Next one. Three
That's
left.
1, 2,
Come on.
3, 4,
Three
5,
left.
6.
Mama, I just finished. I just.
That's it.
Three left.
I just finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Makes
7, 8, 9, 10,
Do it.
13, 14,
And so this one says calculate.
19.
Do these
the
one.
I missed
part
19.
Do this one.
in order
Next.
to get
No.
parts
Read it
of it.
again.
So
10.
number 1 got 17,
Next
number
one.
2 got 22, number 3.
Next one. Next one.
Head.
Good job. Next
This
one.
one is
Next one.
nuts.
Good job. High five.
What's up? Woo.
Nice.